Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today is Monday, November 24th, 2025. And I began my career on Monday, November 24th, 1980, Thanksgiving week.
Some 45 years ago. Does he look 45?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does.
Now, I started Thanksgiving week holiday and you began
Memorial Day holiday week in 1983. So you got a few years and months on me, brother. We only had this product when we started, this one, WireCrafters 840.
Yeah, we had our standard product, which was 20 panels.
In gray.
And in gray color, an assortment of doors. Back here, this is part of our automation line. So it's probably the newest, and it's a different mesh aperture. We've got safety interlocks.
We've got clear panels. We've got attachments for putting on wire cable tray. We've got all sorts of interlocks available, whatever the customer needs.
We've done so much.
Well, it's been everybody. It ain't just been me and you,
Well,
buddy. There's a whole
correct.
team here that's done this kind of
The
stuff.
WireCrafter team has put together a lot of different solutions for anybody with a warehouse or manufacturing facility.
And we have greatly modernized our production capabilities.
Yes.
Used to be a chop saw, a drill press, tape measure, and a soapstone.
Yep. And back in the early days, I used that chop saw and the drill press, and that was a different time.
Yes, you've got to understand the product from the ground up.
That's
the
correct.
very basics.
Yep.
And then you blossomed.
Yeah. That's what we have this week. It's Thanksgiving week. I hope everyone has just a tremendous holiday week, and we'll be giving out about 285 Thanksgiving baskets. So that's a pretty good time.
So
All
happy
right.
Thanksgiving, everybody.
Yep. See you next week.